the opening block of the senior high school students.
Vlogger si Mamo.
As we begin this new school year, properly introduce the senior high school faculties.
Sa magandang pagbati na magandang umaga sa lahat. So good morning grade 11 students. So salamat sa pagpili bilang isang pangalawang
Kayo nanonood.
tahanan ng AU Mabini Campus. Pagbati din sa ating representative from the Office of Students Affairs, Ma'am, good morning. Sa ating principal, Mr. D. Joseph Belenya, sa ating assistant principal, Sir Daniel Biduya, sa ating performance audit coordinator, ang ating English and research coordinator ay si Ms. Eva Duque. At syempre, kung nakikita ninyo yung ganda ng ating background, syempre, yan ipagmamalaki ng Filipino Department. Pinatawagan natin si Ms. Marvin Melena. Ayan. So, ito ang bumubuo ng mga coordinator and then tatawagin ko ang ating grade 12 level coordinator, si Ma'am Lisel Garante. And ang ating dating level coordinator, acknowledge ko din si Ma'am Nina noon. At ngayon yung ating bagong level coordinator ng grade 11. Pag may problem din kayo patungkol sa inyong mga concern, nandito si Sir Arvin Inahe. Sige. Okay, grade 11 students and transferee of grade 12, pakitandaan ang aming mga mukha kung kayo ay may mga concern at iba. Thank you, coordinators and mga advisors. Ayan. Tatawagin ko naman ang grade 11 level coordinator upang ipakilala ang inyong mga advisor.
Okay, so I hope grade 11 familiar lang yun sa mukha ng mga sports department. Sir Johnny Esteban. Okay, photo po, grade 11 advisor.
Hi mga kapreksi! Welcome again to my vlog. Our time is 11:45 and for today's video was the opening block of Arellano University Mabini Campus Senior High School students. Senior High School Division. Oh, parang basketball lang, di ba? Big love shout out to my big brother John. Thank you so much, my big brother. Shout out also to Ma'am Paula, Ma'am Sadi, Ado Matosero, Ma'am Ibi, Albilrestin, Sir Bong, si Lalabs Tisay, Ma'am Annalyn, at sa lahat po ng pumapasok sa aking LS, sa aking premiere, also sa aking visitor na si Sis Luzminda Cori na nag-treat sa aking kaarawan. And of course, courtesy of my big brother. Thank you so much. Gamsahamnida. Ayan guys, nandito ako guys sa MMS building. So, ang labasan po ng grade 11 students, same with the grade 12 students, ay 12, exactly 12 p.m. noon. Okay? Ayan po. This is my uniform. Pasensya na po guys, tumaba po ako guys. Mataba talaga ako guys. Ayan. This is my uniform. Hindi kasi ito na paayos. Kulay brown. Okay. nasa tahimik kasi lahat po sila nasa loob ng classroom para sa kanilang daily orientation with their subject, with their advisors. So today is face to face, araw po ng Martes, then tomorrow that's online, then Thursday another face to face. So magbabatay naman po Thursday subject orientation. Okay, so my vlog sa tahimik mga guys. So this one is the SSHS or the HUMS department. HUMS room. So from room 201, 202, 203, and 204. But there are 6 sections for grade 11. Grade 11 HUMS. Others contains only 2. The others are 7, 5. I do not know with grade 12. So, napakadami. Pero mas marami po talaga ang junior high school. So, yun guys. Tandaan tayo guys. Ito guys, ang ground. The green environment here in AU. Tahimik kapag may class. Meron pa pababa. Pababa. Baba kayo dyan. May CR dyan. Ayan. The green environment because it was surrounded by the big trees. Ayan. Ayun yung minibus ng AU. Arellano, ginagamit yan kapag merong palaro. Merong laro ang mga varsity sa either basketball or volleyball. Ayan. And shout out kay Ma'am Adra. Ayan si Ma'am Adra. Nag-resign na po yan guys. So tapat po guys ay FCZ Old and the senior high school library. Then on the right side is the FCG New, which consists of the senior high school canteen. Then on the left side here, my left side is the School of Law canteen at library also. At ayun sa taas guys ang live solar panel. Napapalibutan din po ito ng solar panel in case na mag brown out. Orte.
Ma'am,
Nandito.
good morning ma'am, sarado ko eh.
Bakit sarado?
Ma'am, vlog mo yan ma'am, like
Hi guys! Na-miss namin si Ma'am Pani, pinakamabait namin teacher to sa lahat.
Ito zero to. Pangalan ay ano?
Ano po?
Pangalan?
Yuri po, Yuri.
Kishel po.
Jan po.
Ribanyes po.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Sali po.
Ikaw, Be!
Wala akong apelido.
Wala ko mapili.
Panoorin niya. Thank you. Ingat kayo palagi. Ayun o. Ayan na guys. Labasan na ng grade 12. Yun yung pinakamaingay yung 11C. Ang ginawa po guys, pinag-segregate po. So hindi na sila pinagsama sa isang room, kundi inilipat, transfer yung mga kulit na lalaki. Mas makulit po talaga ang HUMS compare sa STEM. Ang STEM kasi ano sila. Okay. Nabasa na. Sisipo.